How to change your name on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change your name on Monopoly Go. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we first need to do is to head over to Monopoly Go, which I am on right now. So in there you can see a lot of things or buttons that you can choose from, but what you need to click on is these three lines up here. So just click on those three lines up here, and then from in there you can see your name. You can also see your profile picture and all of this right here. So if you want to change your name, you just need to click on your name right here. So let's click on that. So as you can see, we have opened our player profile. So after that, you can see that there's a pencil icon. So just click on that, and then you can change your name. So let's type it to be Tiara, and then it should be minimum 3 characters. So just click on submit right here. So just click on submit right there, and you should be able to plus your name. So let's retype it again because we encountered some error, and click on submit. Then as you can see, we have chosen Tiara, and as you can see, you cannot change your name again, so make sure that you're sure with your name. Then click on submit again, and then as you can see, our player profile right now is Tiara. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your name in Monopoly Go. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!